Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today's the last day in the series. I have completed my Happy Easter baskets. You can see this one is all done up with the goodies inside. I came in with a little bit of shred and I put on a tag. This is like a little charm that was made for me by my friend Christian, and she is actually the one who I originally discovered the tutorial for these baskets on how to make them. Look at how cute that is. She sent this to me in some Happy Mail and I have put that on. I've got a little flower up there as well as some ribbon. So that is what they look like, and I can show you sort of one of the ones all complete inside, and each one has the, let's move this out of the way here, has the chocolate bar, the flag banner, the little library pocket with some tags inside and some tea attached to the back, a little vellum pocket that's a perfect little size for the shakers, and then one of my shaker pockets. So there are videos on each one of these things, how I made them, what supplies I used. The entire collection is the same. I used the Bunnies in Bloom Simple Stories line for this here, but I'm just going to show you each of the baskets, how they all sort of came together. There. So we've got the spring one with that cute little bunny, and this fun little shaker, and this little pocket with the tea on the back, and this vellum pocket here, and then a shaker. This is one of my favorite shakers here. So you can see how they're all the same, but they're all different. And I'm going to come in with a little bit of shred just at the bottom and on the sides here. It's very specific Easter shred. And then we'll go ahead and put all of those back in place. I like this little chocolate bar at the front. All those in there. There we go. So yeah, so I'll put some vellum on them. I could actually do a few more in the sides there so that it's sort of spilling out and looking very Easter basket-ish. There you go. Something like that. So that's that one. I've got this one here. I did a bloom with the flowers. The shaker with the rubber boots. This one's very garden themed. Hunting for eggs with a little rainbow tag. Blue skies. Daisies. So that is all going to go in here, and I think before I package that up, I'm going to put some of this in the bottom, and the chocolate bar goes in the front. This has been a really fun series to create. It wasn't actually my intention to make a series, but once I got started creating with this collection, I could not put it down. As soon as I saw it was Pink Strawberries did a little mini album with this collection. I didn't know what collection it was. I didn't know who the manufacturer was. But as soon as I saw it, I was immediately like, I have to have that. And now that I have it and I've worked with it, I'm not surprised. Okay, so we've got the Happy Basket. Right there. And this little watering can, my favorite shaker there. One of these cute little shaker pockets. Well, this one has an extra shaker pocket, one with the one on the side. Cute little tea. Fun one there. Then we'll tuck in that on the side so that it's spilling out the top. And then lastly, we have an Easter basket, and it's got this. I really love the way that this turned out. That chocolate bar, this tag set, the Splish Splash Rainy Days, Spring is in the Air, and the little hippity hop excited, actually bird one. So it'll come in with the, whoop, just pulled a lot out that time. Start putting those in place. Tuck that back there. I knew I was missing one. There we go. And then you just tuck the excess little strings in there. And that's that Easter basket done. Super cute. So I'm going to add all of the bows and ribbons and charms and tags. I've already come in with the cut-aparts to add to the gift baskets here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'll put some still photos in at the end of everything that we've done. Okay, here is the finished product. They are all complete. Each one has its own flower, charm, tassel, card, ribbon, and cellophane. Here's a cute one. This one purposely has a little dog for the owner that has a beautiful little pup. And that's the spring one. Here's the bloom one. I love this bunny. I love this little charm. This is probably my favorite charms with all of the pink and white and teal. Little flower, ribbons. The ribbons are all the same. They're all held together like that. And then the last one, this one was very butterfly themed with all the butterflies. So this one got a butterfly card, sweet little kitty cat, and this pretty little flower. And then you saw this other one that I had already done here. And I added on that adorable little tassel. Love them so much. Okay. So yeah, so that is the entire series. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.